going on, Greg?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm doing good. What are you up to?
I'm getting ready to take my first skydive at Skydive Dallas.
All right. Well, welcome to Skydive Dallas then. I noticed you got your own rig on today, man. You saving your own life today?
I have to.
You have to. It's up to you. Where are we pulling at today?
Pulling at?
Yeah.
5,500.
Very nice. So you ready to do this?
Yes, I am.
All right, man. Let's find a plane and have some fun. Heard you going over your jump. Sounds like you know what's up. Ready to go. It's getting close. You ready to do this? All right. How about you, Jackie? You ready for this? John, you ready to go? All right. Looks like we're ready, man. Have a great first skydive, okay? See you outside. What'd you think, buddy?
That was fun. Good time.
It's a good time. You did great.
But that's okay.
But you pulled on time. Nice landing. Saved your life.
Yeah.
Right on, buddy. Congratulations.
Hey,
thanks for Skydive Dallas.
Thanks, Frank. Appreciate it.